Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. In this video we will learn how to check into TrackHr app. Go to your phone and open TrackHr. As soon as the app opens, you will be taken to the TrackHr home screen. Press the green button on home screen. Once you do this, TrackHr app will ask you if you want to check in now. When you click on yes, you will see the checking message, where both date and time of your check-in will be written. After click, the green button on the home screen will change to a yellow button. Here you will see what time you checked in and how long has it been since you came to office. If you scroll down your home screen, you will also see a reminder to get checked out. TrackHr app automatically sets your shift timings as per your requirement, and in simple steps, you can easily check in every day.